We live in a world of innovation in which every day new technologies are being developed to improve people's lives. But that technology is irrelevant unless those in charge of prescribing these technologies are not actually implementing them systematically. This is our project, E-Stim, to share and evaluate an innovative electrical stimulation intervention, a new improved approach to treatment, and define patient and clinical requirements for a proposed in-home E-Stim device. 20,000 people have a spinal cord injury in Australia. When you have a spinal cord injury, there are many problems, and paralysis is the most known one. However, there are other more severe secondary complications such as bowel or bladder dysfunction, and spasticity, fatigue, circulation issues, and pressure sores, among others, that are more prevalent in people with spinal cord injury and that needs to have a solution to it. So the solution is to use E-Stim. E-Stim has been used as a successful intervention in improving musculoskeletal health, reduced spasticity, and improvements in bowel and bladder function in people with spinal cord injury. However, E-Stim is not widely accepted and is not adopted systematically. And this is partly because there's a lack of understanding of benefits, lack of familiarity on how to use E-Stim, and there's also very limited patient-centered approach. So as you can see, this project has different stages, but the main aim of this project at this point of time is to focus on stage number 2, which is to develop and commercialize e-stimulation training and technology take-up modules so we can widespread the clinical use of these E-Stim devices in allied health professionals in Australia. This will allow us to transform the lives of people with spinal cord injury. So these E-Stim training and technology take-up modules have the advantage that we're going to start building trust and familiarity about the use of E-Stim in the clinic and about the process of prescribing E-Stim to patients. What we're trying to aim is to show current and proposed new applications, increase the visibility of this E-Stim device, and have the key opinion leader and delivery engagement so we can have a rigorous market research. So this is the target market in Australia. If we can reach 10% of these allied health professionals, that could be the start of cultivating a bionics culture amongst clinicians and in turn their patients. Antonio will now talk about the E-Stim technology as part of the long-term stage with 3F partnership.
Electrical stimulation can be used, for instance, to enable physical exercise using the paralyzed limbs. Commercial systems today are able to enable cycling, rowing, walking, and other activities. And the range of benefits is large, including benefits in cardiovascular function, musculoskeletal, and prevention of metabolic diseases. Here at UQ, we are working on hardware and software solutions for E-Stim applications. And we have partnered with 3F in this initiative. It is a company founded by pioneers in the field, and it's probably the only company today worldwide to provide a full family of E-Stim technologies for this range of applications for people with spinal cord injury.
So our proposed E-Stim training modules will consist of the following. We will offer a basic training of E-Stim applications, and this could be a one-off session or payment, and this will be as part of the professional development that is required for allied health professionals to keep the APRA registration. We will then offer advanced training, and this advanced training will be in the technology, and it will also have mentoring. This will consist of an annual subscription and ongoing support, and we will have advanced training in specific areas such as FES bike or bladder and bowel functions. And then we'll offer an advanced training in streamlining NDIS funding applications. And this could be funding justifications and templates that will help the process of applying for funds to obtain the E-Stim home devices. So in terms of the IP and regulatory strategies, Camila is going to talk about this.
The IP of the training modules initially will be shared amongst the 3 universities, being CQ University, UQ, and UTS, and also with 3F. As we did in previous studies, where we created training modules and had IP shared with the university, after some time, we acquired the IP back, and then the modules were commercialized via the NBN of the researchers.
This is the team of this project, and I want you to listen to Dr. Lana Popovic, who is the Chief Executive Officer of 3F.
I just want to say I'm really excited to be part of the E-STEAM team that takes part in Bionics Challenge 2022. And I accepted to be part of this team mainly because of the other individuals from the team who are world-recognized experts in FES. And I think that working together, we can really bring this beautiful technology to a whole new level.
And this is the future roadmap and timeline and budget. So we are aiming to have a budget of 60,000 so we can work on the design and development of E-STEAM training and technology take-up modules. We then gonna have to go into the step number 3, that will be the long-term stage in which we will collaborate with 3F, but that will be the next stage of our project. So Bionics Queensland will allow us to take the next step towards education, engagement, and co-design with other health professionals so we can empower people with spinal cord injury and improve the quality of life. This is our mission.